Hi, my name is Sylvester Hansen, and I am the lead developer on Spektakel. Spektakel is a game which aims to teach children with learning disabilities to read and write. And what I will be sharing with you today is what the project looked like about 3 months into development. This is not anything near what it looks like today, but this will give you a good sense of where I'm going with this particular project. So this is the second version of Spektakel, the one right before I made some major changes. But let me just introduce this to you. So what you see in front of you is Sylvester, the same character from the last version. And the most notable change here is the fact that this is no longer a fixed camera angle game. As you can see, the camera now actually follows Sylvester around. And in this version I've actually attached quite a few more classically RPG style elements to it. For one, if we go down here, we actually now have an inventory. This inventory has stats, as you can see above. I was very cognizant at this point of making stats that were not going to be text-based, so as in numbers. I went away from that in later versions, but for this version I really wanted something that was a little bit more intuitive. And what you can see down here is an actual inventory where I can switch out the outfit parts. So you see, if I actually give this preview of Gerda a different set of pants, those pants will also have been changed in the game. This took quite a while to do, almost embarrassingly much time. You can see here I can actually go in and purchase I can try, obviously it's not working, but I can try and purchase a potion if I had enough money. You can see this, the dollar sign up there is actually a currency meter. Other than that, the game actually remains relatively unchanged. If I choose to talk to somebody, we still have this situation where a NPC will speak in text and Gerda, my main character, will reply using only emoji. And if we go back here and look into the actual combat, it's still the same trading blows situation as was before. I choose to actually engage, and I then hit using the set button, and I can then just move on to the next. This time, however, the enemy does actually leave a bit of currency around for me to actually pick up, so that's an improvement. In this version of the game, I wanted for there to be sort of a dual purpose. So partly this game was going to be the game you see in front of you, and then partly a textbook. It was only when my brother pointed out to me that that might not be the best way to introduce somebody who's having a difficult time learning to read to actual literacy that I realized maybe I needed to take this up into advisement. So next week I will be showing you the third demo of the game and just walking you through how that works. Until then, please like, comment and subscribe.